Welcome to Verified Investing. I'm Dr. B here, and today we're going to be talking about the 1-minute scalpel. This is a course that I've developed over several years, and really what I do is I start with the basics in this course: support and resistance, trend lines, moving averages, and we start in the daily, weekly charts. We zoom in a little further to the 1-hour charts, and then finally to the 1-minute charts, which is my preferred time frame that I use here in the Apex trading room. Had about an 80% success rate using this strategy. Rising wedge patterns, falling wedge patterns, parallel channels, all of these different techniques. And from there, then I teach how I maneuver through trades that go against me. I talk about where my stop would go, where I would add to a trade that has gone against me, and really over time this has helped position me to have an edge in the stock market. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Take care.